Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about the N-SPORT637, a watch face that's designed for sports and fitness enthusiasts like you. The N-SPORT637 is a watch face that's designed to be dynamic and stylish, with a focus on weather forecasts. It allows you to track both analog and digital time in the most intuitive way possible. What's really cool about this watch face is that you can customize the background to suit your style, and it even comes with many accompanying complication options. So, if you're looking for a watch face that's perfect for sports and fitness and also keeps you updated on the weather, the N-SPORT637 is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring.